This 2014 Mercedes-Benz ML350 is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. ML350 Sport Optional Factory Equipment Premium 1 Package, $3,920, Sport Package, $2,500, Panoramic Sunroof, $1,090, Lane Tracking Package, $875, Illuminated Door Sills, Heated Front Seat, Heated Steering Wheel, Navigation System, Rear View Camera, 360 View Camera, Standard equipment, 3.5L V6 engine, 7-speed automatic transmission, Navigation System, Rear View Camera, Premium Sound System, Rear Parking Aid, Front Parking Aid, Heated Front Seats, Memory Seats, Power Automatic Windows, Cruise Control, Dell Power and Heated Exterior Mirrors, Keyless Entry, Black Exterior, Black Interior, Owner's Manual, Floor Mats, Own Owner. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detailed walk-around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2014 Mercedes-Benz ML350 Sport 4Matic is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto G, visit us at Auto Gallery Chicago.